Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session in which we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Prelims question, in which we are going to discuss about the specific topics from the economy, okay, and we are actually going to discuss how to crack a question in an easy way, how to find the key from the question itself, okay. That thing is we are going to discuss, okay. So let's begin the session, okay. With reference to the Indian economy after the 1991 economic liberalization, consider the following statement. See, liberalization means it's nothing but just relaxation of the trade rules and regulations. Okay, so there are strict rules and regulations in before 1991 in India. Okay, which was relaxed after 1991. Okay, so that is called as LPG era. Okay, that is the major economic reform done in India. Okay, so actually what this liberalization means, there is certain strict rules in the trade, okay, or in the economic activities, which was actually relaxed after 1991. Okay, so that is called as liberalization. Okay, so this is the broad idea about liberalization. Okay, so just get into this question, okay, and try to find the answer by eliminating the statement. Okay, just look the second statement. The percentage of share of rural area in the workforce steadily increased. Okay, so what the statement is actually means is the percentage of the share of the rural area, okay, in the workforce. So people who are in the workforce in the rural area is steadily increased. Okay, such a way that the second statement is saying. Okay, just focus on the fourth statement. The growth rate in the rural employment decreased. Okay, so in the second statement is saying that workforce increased. Okay, growth rate in the rural employment decreased. Okay, because see that both the statements are speaking about the employment or the workforce only. Okay, but both the statement make a contradictory. Okay, if the second statement is right, means the fourth statement is wrong. Okay, such a way it becomes a contradictory statement. Okay, oxymoron statement. Okay, so if there is an answer is 2 means then there shouldn't be 4. Okay, so if the answer is comes as a 2 means the statement shouldn't have a fourth statement also. Okay, so such a way you can eliminate. Okay, so 1, 2 and 4 means it is totally wrong. Okay, because both are in the oxymoron level. Okay, so you can easily eliminate D. Okay, so such a way only you have to go for an answer. Okay, then go for first statement. Worker productivity. Okay, first of all, what is worker productivity? Okay, which means consider that per person, okay, the person is doing a work for 12 hours. Okay, he is actually working in a mill. Okay, he is producing a cloth of 100 meter. Okay, for working for a 12 hours. Okay, so the worker productivity means for 12 hours he is manufacturing 100 meters of cloth. Okay, so this is called as productivity. So whether the productivity increase or decrease can be measured as same person working for 12 hours. Okay, but he is actually manufacturing 500 meters of goods, 500 meters of cloth. Okay, so that means the worker productivity is increased for 5 times. Okay, so that is what the worker productivity. Okay, which means it is about the working of a person. Okay, the production of goods or services increased. Okay, based on the with respect to the time period, the goods produced or the service produced is actually increased. Okay, that is known as worker productivity increase. Okay, so worker productivity increased in urban area while it decreased in rural area. Okay, see, there is a trap. After liberalization, there is a relaxation of the rules and regulations. Most of the foreign investment, okay, most of the foreign investments came into India. Also, most of the foreign companies also came into India. Okay, and also by the more investments and more of a transfer of technology, there is more usages of the automation. Machines come into play. Okay, so earlier the mill is going to manufacture a cloth of length of 100 meter means it is done by the people. Okay, now it is done by the machine means the worker productivity is going to increase. Okay, so by the by the incorporation of the machines into the company, the productivity increased. Okay, so in urban area the worker productivity increased, yes, due to the investments and also due to the transfer of technology the worker productivity increased. That first level of statement is right. Okay, but will it decrease in the rural area is wrong. Actually in rural area also the worker productivity increased. Okay, consider that in the rural area there is a person is going to sow a field. Okay, he is going to sow a field. Okay, he is going to cultivate a seed. Okay, earlier consider that 4 men, okay, 4 men going to sow in a field. Okay, for 8 hours in 1 hectares of land. Okay, after this liberalization lot of mechanized goods came into agriculture also. Okay, so mechanization happened in the agriculture also. Okay, now one man itself can sow in the field. Okay, in 4 hours even 5 hectares of land due to the mechanization. Okay, due to the liberalized law there is a growth of lot of companies. Okay, and also transfer of technologies and transfer of machines also happened. So worker productivity increased in both the areas. In the rural area also the worker productivity increased, and in also the urban area also the worker productivity increased. Okay, so the first statement is the first half of the statement is actually true, the second half of the statement is actually wrong. Okay, by that the one is becoming wrong. Okay, so eliminate the 1 to 4 and also 1 and 2. Okay, now go for the statement directly, you go for 4 because the reason is the 3 is actually correct. Okay, so you have to check whether the 4 is right or wrong. Okay, so the growth rate in the rural employment decreased. See, actually what the thing happened after liberalization means there is a lot of company getting into India and they are settled in the urban area only. Okay, in the urban area only they have the lot of connectivities, and also there is a lot of availability of the connected industries. Okay, so there are connected industries also available and the connectivity also available there. So lot of companies settled in the urban area only. Okay, so for the employment opportunity the people from the rural area migrated towards the urban area. Okay, so such a way the things actually happened. Okay, so by the way the growth rate in the rural employment actually decreased. Okay, because people moved away from the rural area. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so by that the fourth statement is also right. Okay, so in the rural area the growth in non-farm economic activity increased, that is also right, and the growth rate in the rural area rural employment decreased, that is also right. Okay, so by that the answer is 3 and 4 only. Okay, so such a way you have to try to eliminate the statement and go for answer. Okay, don't always run around the question to find the correct answer. Okay, always try to find the wrong statement to eliminate it. Okay, find the wrong statement and eliminate it, you can easily go for an answer. Okay, such a way you have to do that. Okay, thank you.